surprised as well
Yeah.
as it is. Pick up some more beef.
What y'all find it at? Why do you want to get rid of it?
Hey Josh, will you watch Ashton in case Andy were to shoot that direction?
Finally got of it.
Everybody's wrong.
Hey, your face slid big time. Tell him to hold his brake. Hold your brake. Good. It just slid big time.